So in this video we are going to learn how to clear cache in Google Chrome. So this fixes slow browser. First of all, open the Google Chrome and choose your account. Then click the three dots in the top right corner. This is the three dots in the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on settings, which is here. And then on the left side, click privacy and security. This is the privacy and security. So click on the delete browsing data, and here you need to tick what you want to delete, like browsing history, cookies and other site data. And this is the cached images and files. So what you want to delete, you can delete from here. There are a lot of options and it's your choice what you want to delete. So you can clear the cache from here and click the delete data. Now the data has been deleted and it will make your browser faster than the previous.